The topic for today is how to delete a YouTube channel. Let's search for YouTube on Google. Click on YouTube. Click on the channel icon. Click on your channel. Again, click on the channel icon. Click on Settings. Click on Advanced Settings. In the Delete Channel option, click on the Delete Channel. After clicking, it will ask for the email ID with which you created the YouTube channel. Type your email ID. Click Next. Type your password. Click Next. After clicking, it will ask for two-step verification if it has already been activated. Verify your account using your authorized device. After clicking, you will get two options. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. After clicking, you will get two options. Out of which, the first option will permanently delete your subscription, comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, and your YouTube search and watch history. Select the first option. Also, select the second option if you want to cancel your subscription. Click Delete My Content. Next, type your email ID for confirmation. Click Delete My Content. After clicking, it will delete everything and start updating. This may take a few seconds or a few minutes. So don't worry. Again, search for YouTube. Click on YouTube. Click on the channel icon. Click on YouTube Studio. You can see the channel has still not been deleted. So don't get panicked, because it will take a few minutes to complete the process. After a few minutes, again, click on the channel icon. Click on YouTube. Next, click on the channel icon. Now here you can see the Create a Channel option is appearing. Click on YouTube Studio. Here you can see the new channel creation options that have appeared. So in this process, you can easily delete a YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.